In this video, we'll learn how to add nearby points to a location in MAPOG. First, open your map and select any location. Click on the pencil edit icon to open the location editor. Now scroll to the Add Point Surrounding section and select Add Nearby Points. Next, choose a place directly on the map and click Confirm. After confirming the location, enter a name for the nearby point. You can then customize a point by selecting a color and choosing an icon that best represents that location or amenity. To display the distance between the main location and the nearby point, enable Hide, Show Distance, and click Calculate. MAPOG will instantly calculate and display the approximate distance in kilometers. Once everything is configured, click Save to add the nearby point. You can repeat this process to add multiple nearby amenities, landmarks, services, or points of interest around any location. This feature helps provide additional context and improves location-based planning and navigation. In the next video, we'll learn how to change the base map.